Okay, I found a couple of bolts laying around the house, so I didn't have to go to the hardware store. But we have like what is this? A 4-inch lag bolt, a couple of drywall screws, and a 2-inch bigger screw. So first, we're going to start off with drywall screws. I'm going to screw it in some 2x4s. Let me get this started first. Just a second. Okay, so what we have here is this is the what is this? The drywall screw. So I'm gonna shoot it in here, see what happens. Shot it in, no problem. Get this crap out of here. Shit, it done buried in so far. I can't get it out. That's how powerful it is. So I shot it in that way. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm going to try to shoot it in going this way. 3-inch drywall screw. In fact, I'm going to shoot it through this knot. A lot of people said the knot is the toughest part, so I'm going to shoot it in this knot. Alright, got it started, so here we go. No problem. A lot of damn power. Alright, so as you can see, you can shoot these drywall screws in all day long. So let's try this fatter screw. Let's try to shoot it. Let's shoot it here. I'm gonna have to get this started, so I'm gonna set it down. Okay, sorry about that. I don't have a tripod, so I'm just gonna have to work with what I got. Actually, this is the wrong screwdriver head. I should have had a number 3, but I'm just gonna use this number 2. See if we can get it in there anyway. No problem. All right, last one we're going to try is this, going to shoot this 4-inch lag bolt in there. I'm going to do this both ways. So let's start off by shooting it the short way first. So I'm going to have to get it started again. Okay, just got it started, so as you can see, I'm going to try to shoot it through this 2x4, which shouldn't be a problem. Let me use my other hand. No problem. No problem. All right, now we're going to try to shoot it straight through the 2x4 this way. I'm gonna have to get it started. All right. Once again, sorry for the shitty demonstration, but I don't have a tripod. So we're going to try to shoot it the long way straight on through. All right. Straighten it up a little bit. And there we go. Here we go. Shit. And just broke that shit right on off. So yeah, there we go. Lag bolt must have been a shitty lag bolt. So cheap grade lag bolt. But as you can see, this thing has plenty of power. It shot the drywall screw in, 3-inch drywall screw in this way, which is the shorter way. It also shot the drywall screw in the longer way through a knot, and it was no problem. The lag bolt, I attempted to screw the lag bolt in there. 4-inch lag bolt, probably 3 inches got in before it broke. And there we go. I think I got one more, a couple of more. See, here's the lag bolt that broke. So that's about 1 inch left. And here's the 3-inch drywall screws. So I'm going to just shoot those in there. Ah! Okay. 3-inch drywall screw. What the hell is it? Right there. Going to shoot it through this 2x4. No problem. Let's bury this thing in here. This time we're going to bury it in there. As you can see, it shot that screw all the way in to where the bit couldn't go in no more. And I'm not even going to strip out my bit head trying to remove it, because I know I can't, because it doesn't turn. But anyway, that was the 3-inch screw. So it probably just made it to the point where it's not peeking out yet, but just at the edge of it, or peeking out. I'm going to shoot this last drywall screw through this knot. So let me get it started. Trying to do this one-hand action, folks. All right, this is straight through the knot, as you can see. No problem. No problem whatsoever. So that's the inferior bit that I was mentioning earlier. So get yourself a better impact bit where it seats into the screw heads better, or it could even be the cheap drywall screws as well. So next thing I'm going to show is me trying to remove the lug nuts from the car and the truck. So stay tuned for that.